Okay students, today's script from TrignoScience Academy is about the chemical basis of life, the building blocks that make every living organism possible. Why does bread rise when baked? Why do we feel weak without food? And how does your DNA carry the recipe that makes you, you? To understand this better, let's break it down step by step. 1. Carbohydrates, main energy source. Glucose gives instant energy. Starch stores energy in plants. Glycogen stores energy in animals. 2. Proteins, bodybuilders. They make muscles, enzymes, hormones, and repair tissues. 3. Lipids, fats and oils. Provide insulation, long-term energy, and form cell membranes. 4. Nucleic acids, DNA and RNA. DNA stores genetic instructions. RNA helps build proteins. 5. Water makes up 70% of our body. Universal solvent, regulates temperature, transports nutrients. 6. Minerals, for example, calcium for bones, iron for blood, iodine for thyroid. 7. Vitamins, small but powerful. Vitamin C for healing, vitamin D for bones, vitamin A for vision. In this part, we are going to understand the experiment related to this concept. Starch test iodine. Purpose: to check presence of starch. Observation: turns blue-black. Shows carbohydrates are real food reserves. Benedict's test. Glucose. Purpose: to test simple sugars. Observation: solution turns brick red. Connects to how doctors test glucose in urine for diabetes. Biuret test. Proteins. Purple color appears, proteins present, proving they are body-building molecules. Sudan 3. Lipids. Red stained oil layer forms, shows lipids are insoluble in water but crucial for membranes. Enzyme activity. Amylase on starch. Starch disappears after enzyme action. Proves enzymes break down food efficiently. Each of these experiments links directly to nutrition and metabolism, the science of life. So how does this connect to real life? Let's take an example. Athletes eat high-carb food before matches for quick energy. Protein shakes are used in gyms for muscle repair. Cooking oil, lipid, provides energy, but too much leads to obesity. DNA tests solve crimes and confirm parentage. Mineral deficiency, anemia, iron lack, goiter, iodine lack. Exam. Expecting questions 1. Define carbohydrates and give one example. 2. Explain the Biuret test for proteins. 3. State the functions of water in the body. 4. Name 2 genetic materials. 5. Write 2 deficiency diseases of vitamins. So, we studied the 7 main chemical groups: carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, nucleic acids, water, minerals, and vitamins, plus key experiments that prove their presence. Together, they form the chemistry of life. Students, today you learned the chemical basis of life with its key ideas, experiments, real-life applications, and exam focus. If this helped, like the video, drop your answers in the comments and subscribe so you never miss future lessons. And don't forget, follow TrignoScience Academy on Instagram, TikTok, and Facebook for more science updates.